Hello everyone. I did a thing, and the thing is I made a tool which you can use to inspect a LiDAR system. You know, a LiDAR has different beams and they all stack together until a certain height, and you can see each channel. You can check if it's broken or not broken, and you can also see the distance it can travel, or if you have feedback problems you can see that. How does the tool work? Well, first you give in some information and CSV files where you have your data in them, and it's like well, you have correction files which you use for the angles of the LiDAR, because you have a LiDAR. This is more or less a cylinder, and you have different angles of the light that beams and returns. And I use this data to create this tool. So what you basically can do is take a point cloud, you convert it to a CSV file like this, and you see here all the files and the channels, what they are doing. So, and it keeps going and keeps going. This is basically what file you have. These are all point clouds. Then we are going to proceed with the demonstration of the tool. What we do with the tool is we have a container which we use, and or virtual, and we install some of the libraries like this. You have the libraries, and then you have your code. And basically in this code you can generate an automatic report for each channel that you wish to do. And you have instructions. You can use your cursors, you can use your numeric files to go up, you can increase the density of your cloud, you can increase the points of your cloud, you can decrease it, and you can also switch from channel and also the radius in which it measures, so you can see what the maximum range is or not. I have a special thanks for Jeremy Labon. He's my teacher at Drone Applications, and he has guided me through this. And well, I run into several problems connecting the LiDAR with my computer was already a problem. Well, a lot of problems, and he solved a lot of things together with me. I was very grateful for him. So let us proceed for the demonstration. I have set up a terminal. This is VS Code, by the way, which we are using. So here we go. It cannot find it. Of course it cannot find it, because I have a different command. I have to use Python. Yes. Come on. Rookie mistake. There you go. What we have done, we have created this file here. You have created this tool. This is basically a viewer. I will stretch it out. In this viewer you can turn around, you can see what's happening there, and in this instance it's a standard selected channel, and which channel is selected you can already see. It's channel 32, and it has a minus 72 degrees, and its radius is standard on 5. Well, if we extend the range or decrease it, you can change here. It's to 4 meters, 3 meters, 2 meters, 1 meter. But you can also select, if you can see here, you can see which channel. Let's switch to another channel. It's channel 34, 35, 36, and we can increase the reach again. What you also can do is you can increase your cloud density, and what it does, is you have more points, but you can also decrease it. As you see, there are less points. So it actually isolates all of the red points, which is basically the LiDAR itself. And you can increase it so you can see it in the setting and how it works. What you can do further is increase the levels, and you can see what it does and how it turns out, and where you can see, hey, it decreases. Yeah, it looks down on my back. And you can also see shadows. What you can see is already persons, which you can do. And so, but now we have this. So what can we do? We can create screenshots and we can generate a report. Well, let's add this channel 18 with the density to our report. Okay, let's check, go down, let's go up. We are going up, and we are going to decrease the range, and we're going to add this to our report. What we can do then is going up, and you can see this, but let's extend to the maximum range, and we're going to add it to the report. What we are going to do more, let's say you have one broken or doesn't work properly, you can see what's going to do, and you can see here it's not generating enough. Let's see what happens. You can see that's now just 1 meter away. Let's see, there was no red points. That means there is no red data. So your channel is broken. And so you generate your report. Let's add this to the report as well. And we are done. Well, that's Q. And there are items now. It's reported. Let's go to the report. So we have a report now, which you just generated. And what you can see here is the basic layer of the report. And then you go down and you can see the channel. And our first capture was a channel 18 with an angle of minus 21 degrees at a radius of 5 meters. You can see this. You can see here what the output is. And you can see with a top-down view what actually reaches. So let's move on. You can see here, this is the distance in meters, and maybe I should elaborate that more. And there you have channel 29. So you can have each channel generate a report. Here you can see, you can use this data actually to start mapping and create a visual with obstacle avoidance. You can use this report, and you can use this tool to do that. And I'm going to extend it and see what I can get out of it more as a pet project. I thank you for watching, and well, you can see I'm becoming a real nerd. But I'm happy for it, and I love doing this. Thank you.